Hello, today we're going to walk you through how to make your enrollment deposit. First, you're going to open up a web page and type www.gannon.edu into the search bar and click enter. This will take you to Gannon's homepage. You're going to find the admissions tab in the top center of the page and click that. Then in the left-hand column, you're going to want to click undergraduate admissions. On the undergraduate admissions page, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and in the left column again, you're going to look for Make an Enrollment Deposit. There are two ways to make an enrollment deposit. You can pay online or via mail. If you want to pay via mail, you just click that button, and this will take you to the enrollment deposit form. You're going to want to print this form out and manually fill it in at home, and just mail that in with your form of payment. We're going to go back now. You can click Pay Deposit online as well. There are a couple really important things to remember about the deposit. First is that the required deposit is $100, unless you are in the 5-year physician assistant program or one of the LECOM partnership programs. That deposit is $300 for those programs. You also need to remember that deposits are non-refundable after May 1st, unless you are on a wait list. So make sure you read this whole page because this is very valuable information. You're going to fill the box in at the bottom, so we're going to click $100 for our deposit payment. Type in your student ID number. This can be found on your acceptance letter. Your full name, your email address. Then you're going to type in your home address as well as your phone number. And then you're going to want to select how you're going to pay. You can pay by credit card or by check. We're going to pay by credit card today. It's the same form. Click Continue. Again, make sure that payment amount is correct. Make sure your deposit is $100 or $300 depending on the program. And choose New Card. Enter in your credit card information just like you would for any other order. And then you're going to click Continue. And that's how to make your deposit.